Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Office Boy Builder here. So you'll have potentially seen that I lost all of my footage. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. I'll post a link up here, but it was pretty disastrous, to be honest. And what I thought I would do is just give you a quick tour of the bathroom, which is now fully finished, obviously. Couple more little bits to do, really tiny, not major things to worry about, so I can still show you around. We obviously haven't finished fully painting and sanding and filling all of the paint work, so you know, a couple of little gaps up there, that sort of thing, gaps down at the bottom there. But yes, so Architraves are on now around the door. The door is hung. It has a handle and a lock, which is very nice. The light switch operates the extractor fan, but it's on a humidistat, so that works there. Have got the touch screen underfloor heating. This is made by Warm Up, and you can control it with your iPhone or your iPad or your smartphone. It's got an app. We're not actually using that at the minute because it's still summer. It's 1st of September today, so the floor is actually 22 degrees and it's not cold. So this is the tiled floor that we went for, really nice, super grippy. I think these are R11, so they're actually suitable for outdoor, but they're very grippy tiles, which is really good. I wanted that so that people wouldn't slip over. This is the nice textured wallpaper that we went for. It's got a really nice textured look and feel to it, so I like that. This here is the mirror. I think you'll have seen that in one of the previous videos. It's got a magnifying bit, regular bit, and the whole thing demists around here, which is quite handy with the shower. Nice little kind of vanity tray bit here, which is close enough to this that if you're charging a toothbrush or a shaver, you can rest it on there. So yeah, you'll see here we've still got to do a little bit of kind of painting and filling and sanding, but that's coming up soon. We went for a little bathroom vanity cabinet here. So this is quite, in fact, it's still got a whole load of my tools in it. Look at that. I'd forgotten about those. And one of these drawers that has the cutout here. So that's quite handy. Soft close. Like that. So I'm quite pleased with that. This is the basin that came with it, and then we went for Growy on the tap and the wall hung pan as well, both of those. So that's quite nice. We've installed MDF top. Again, this needs to be kind of sand and filled, but it's otherwise good. And also I do need to put the radiator in. That is non-essential at the minute, just because, like I said, it's the 1st of September, it's still really warm, and for some reason we don't have the underfloor heating on at the minute, but that will go in there. Toilet roll holders here, perfectly positioned for the Kazi. And you can see these white marble effect tiles. This is porcelain. We went for porcelain on the walls and porcelain on the floor. It is really very tough. Porcelain is a very strong tile material versus, say, ceramic, which is, I believe, a little bit softer and porous, whereas porcelain is a lot less porous. In fact, maybe it's even non-porous. I'm not a tile expert, so I'm not 100% sure on that, but that was what I read online, and that's why I went for this. Even though I tanked it on the floor, I'll try and show you this, but I put an insulated tile backer board on the floor, then I put Underfloor Heating Mat, which is a decoupling membrane, and it holds the underfloor heating cable, and it also does happen to act as a kind of waterproof barrier as well, because it's plastic. And then on the walls, you will have seen in previous videos that we did the tile backer board as well. It's got the shower, got a little nook enclosure, and the shower hose that runs up there. And then for this, I made this using 5x2s just to raise it up to get the height for the drain over here and the waste that was running away. And then I faced this using plastic fascia board, you know, had that left over, so that worked really well. just stuck it to the front with polyurethane glue. This is a Mira Flight, really grippy shower tray. That's a non-slip shower tray from Mira. Oh, look, I haven't even peeled the plastic off here yet. So yeah, I need to peel that off, put a little hook on the wall there for a robe or whatever else. And then one of these Vent Axia silent extractor fans, really very, very good, and honestly really quiet as well. Very strong humidistat, very sensitive. You can dial in the sensitivity of that, so that was good. And then all of these are IP65 rated, fire rated downlights. So these are perfect and fine to be in the shower enclosure there and anywhere else. Obviously all of this up here is moisture resistant plasterboard. So yeah, that's the kind of the final look of the bathroom. I'm really happy with the way it's come out. I really do like it. It's a very nice place to wash and get clean and feel comfortable. Just finishing off bits in here. You can see I've got all my tools. I'm just hanging, well, I've just hung this door and I'm just about to do the door handle and the lock there for that. Because we'll probably rent this out on Airbnb or to an overseas student or something like that. So this room is quite nice. That's a good sized queen bed actually. Or maybe it's a double. It might be a double. But that's nice. It's nice and calm in here. Lovely colours that we went for that feel really, really soft and calm, like I say. The other thing that we'll probably look to do is here. That's the radiator that's going in the ensuite, but we'll probably look to do a built-in storage unit there, a wardrobe or something similar. Very soft plush carpet as well, which is nice. So that is pretty much it for the bathroom. When I put this door lining on, a bit of the plaster popped off there, so I've got a bit of polyfilling to do on that bit. That was my fault, that wasn't Albert. So that's it for the bathroom. Thanks for bearing with me. I appreciate it's a bit shorter than normal and, you know, a bit more explanation and recap of what you might have already seen, but all of the videos I did have planned have disappeared, as you know. So that's where we are. And yeah, please do like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video, whenever that may be.